In the house, please welcome Additional Secretary and Financial Advisor, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, Shri Prabhat Ji, and Additional Secretary, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Shri Deepak Narayan Ji. Give it up for everyone here, ladies and gentlemen. Can we please request Prabhat sir and Deepak sir to kindly felicitate Bhushan Kumar Ji, the producer of this film, supremely talented Dhanush and Kriti Sannon, and the co-producer, Mr. Shiv Chanana, whom I also call the backbone of T-Series. Come on, keep the claps coming, ladies and gentlemen. It's the world premiere of Tere Ishk, directed by Anand L. Rai. Again, a master of this craft. Fantastic. Can we just one word from you, Kriti, and one word from you, Dhanush, and we start the movie? They all are waiting for the movie to start.
I can't say one word. How do I say one word?
Sit.
One word is just इश्क यार. Honestly speaking, ये फिल्म बहुत ही खास है और आज से तेरे इश्क में शंकर और मुक्ति जो है वो आपके हो गए हैं. So it's a bittersweet feeling. छोड़ा जा नहीं रहे हमसे लेकिन हम बहुत excited हैं कि आप देखें. And I think it's one of my most special films of my career, and I'm very, very excited to actually see your reaction. I hope you love it. I hope you love. And yeah, that's it. And मुझे तो goosebumps हो रहे हैं. I was just telling him, oh my God, they're gonna watch the film. So I hope you're excited to watch the film.
Yes.
Yeah?
Kriti, Delhi girl. Kriti, Delhi girl.
Yes.
Do you want us to shut up and just make you watch the film?
अच्छा लगता है. क्या हमें कृति सानन से इश्क है?
Yes.
अरे लड़कों.
क्यों लड़कियां क्यों नहीं लड़कियों
परम सुंदरी.
How are you feeling?
Thank you so much. Hi. Thank you. Yes, I am just very thankful to be here, very grateful for this film, and all you lovely people are gonna watch it. It's making me a little anxious. I mean, it doesn't hit you when you are like reading reviews on a phone, but when you're actually in person, stand in front of all of you, it's kind of like, okay, they're going to watch the film and judge how the film is. So, yeah, and I haven't seen the film yet. So I just hope you all have a good time. I hope you all like the film, love the film, like our performances, and we've really worked hard for this film. It's not easy film to make. It's not easy performances. Such an intense film with such intense scenes, breaking some grammar, breaking some like how a love story could should go. There's a blueprint, and we've tried to break some of those, and there will be some shockers. So I really hope it all falls in place and you like the film and you all have fun watching it. Thank you so much.
I also want to say Anand sir, our director, is not here with us. He had to stay back for some work related to the film only. वो होता है ना end moment तक छोड़ी नहीं जा रही है फिल्म में जो बोल रही थी. It's just that, but he's just a magical creator and he's just such an emotional person. तभी वो इश्क को इतनी गहराई से समझ पाते हैं. और I also want to say that he's a very, very gutsy maker. To make a film like Tere Ishk mein, to have characters like Shankar and Mukti, and to just go all out, you have to be fearless. And that's what he's been. And I really hope you guys are carrying some tissue boxes because I really want you to cry. And I hope you cry with us with the film with Shankar and Mukti.
भूषण सर, मैन ऑफ फ्यू वर्ड्स, आप बस आदेश दें कि हम फिल्म शुरू करें.
एकदम शुरू कीजिए और अपना पूरा प्यार इस फिल्म को दीजिए एंड वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड टू बी हियर एंड एंजॉय द मूवी.
Yes, take a photo of please, sir. gives her the backbone, as I always say. Thank you. Okay, Bhushan sir, आपका आदेश और क्या? Done? All right. Give it up for the team of Tere Ishk, ladies and gentlemen. I request you all to please keep your phones on silent and no recording, please.
Please clear the stage and start the film. Going.